Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up your Glovebox pin, so if you're interested, stay tuned. Hey guys, so this feature just came out on 2020.40, so I actually just got 2020.40.4 today, so I can show you how to do this. So this is one of the new features. There actually is a Glovebox pin now, so if you want to set that up, so that way you have to enter a code to open your Glovebox, just like pin to drive. All you need to do is go down to the car over here, hit that, and then what you want to do is go down to safety and security, and then scroll all the way down here and you'll see pin to drive and Glovebox pin. So just hit Glovebox pin, set up your code. So I'm going to set up a super secret code here and it's ready to go. So now your Glovebox pin is on. Now all you have to do is, let's say you want to open your Glovebox, hit the Glovebox down here and it'll come up with the pin. So then you just put in your pin and it opens the Glovebox. So that's all you need to do. If you want to get rid of it, then all you need to do is just hit, unselect Glovebox pin. It'll ask you for your pin number again, put it in, and that's it. And then it goes away, and then you can just open your Glovebox just like normal. So, the reason why you'd want to do this is there is a rumor that the center console is changing, and so I actually have another video on this coming up. And so basically what's going to happen is the USB ports are going to be moved from under the center console into the Glovebox. So that's one of the reasons why they think they have this new feature as part of this 2020.40.4 update. And so that way you can now protect your USB drive by putting it into the Glovebox, and that way, if you have a pin, then nobody's going to be able to get in there unless they force it open, which is going to be all sorts of unfortunate for you. But that's what it's for protecting your USB drive, or maybe you have a solid state drive that's more pricey that you want to protect. You could put that in the Glovebox as well. Or maybe you just have a really expensive pair of sunglasses you want to protect, so you could put that in the Glovebox as well to protect. So it's kind of, this is Tesla's way of having a key basically. So old ICE cars, the Glovebox used to actually have a key that you'd have to put into the Glovebox and turn to lock it. So obviously you don't have that on this Glovebox, so this is the way to do it. Put in actual pin number and you can securely lock whatever you want in your Glovebox. So I hope that tutorial was helpful. Let me know if you have any comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.